This is the complete guide to Ideogram AI, the image generator founded by 4 Google Brain researchers that solved the problem every other AI tool still fails at, putting readable, accurate text inside generated images. By the end of this video you will know every feature Ideogram offers, how to get perfect text rendering every time, how the Canvas editor and style reference work, how Ideogram compares to Midjourney, DALL-E, and Adobe Firefly, every pricing plan, and exactly who should be using this tool and why. Let us get into it. Ideogram AI was founded in 2022 by 4 former Google Brain researchers, led by Mohammad Narouzi. The founding team came from some of the most advanced AI research labs in the world and built Ideogram with a specific goal: solve the text rendering problem that every other image generation model fails at. When you ask Midjourney, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion to include text in an image, the result is usually garbled, misspelled, or unreadable. These models were not designed to handle typography accurately. Ideogram was. The platform achieves around 90% text accuracy compared to roughly 30% across other mainstream tools. Beyond text, Ideogram generates high-quality photos, illustrations, logos, and posters from text prompts, and the latest release, Ideogram 3.0, represents a significant improvement in both photorealism and text precision. Let me walk through every major Ideogram feature. Text rendering, the defining capability, around 90% accuracy for logos, poster headlines, signage, and social graphic copy. Magic Prompt, Ideogram's built-in prompt enhancement. You type a basic description, Magic Prompt rewrites it with richer detail to produce better results on your first attempt. Canvas editor, after generation you can extend the frame, fill blank areas with AI content, erase and replace elements, and make iterative edits without leaving the platform. Style reference, upload any image and Ideogram replicates its visual style, color palette, texture, tone, and aesthetic across new generations. Style codes, each style gets a shareable ID you can reuse across sessions and projects to keep visuals consistent. Color palette, specify exact hex codes and Ideogram incorporates them. Batch generation, run multiple prompt variations simultaneously. And full aspect ratio control for any output format. Here is how to create your first Ideogram image. Step 1. Go to Ideogram.ai and create a free account. No download required, no card needed, free credits are included on sign-up. Step 2. Type your prompt. If you want text in the image, be extremely literal, include the exact words in quotation marks inside your prompt. For example, a minimalist poster reading Launch Day in bold sans serif on white. Step 3. Choose your style, photo, illustration, or design, set your aspect ratio, and enable Magic Prompt for your first attempt. It rewrites your description to add detail that improves the result. Step 4. Generate, review the output in 5 to 15 seconds, then download directly or open in Canvas to extend the frame or refine elements. Text rendering is what Ideogram is built for, but even within Ideogram, there are techniques that consistently produce better results. Rule 1. Always quote the exact text you want in the image. Write a poster reading "Open daily" in your prompt, do not describe it vaguely as a sign with opening hours. Literal equals accurate. Rule 2. Specify the font style. Bold sans serif, italic serif, hand-lettered, font style shapes legibility as much as the words themselves. Rule 3. Limit word count. Under 5 words per text element gives Ideogram the best chance at accuracy. More words means more surface area for errors. 2 additional tips that make a consistent difference: use design style mode rather than photo mode for text-heavy outputs, it is optimized for typography. And always use a high contrast background behind your text, it dramatically improves readability in the final image. The Canvas editor is what turns Ideogram from an image generator into a full creative tool. Step 1. Open any generated image in Canvas, click Edit in Canvas immediately after generation, or open it from your image history. Step 2. Extend the frame. Drag the canvas boundary outward in any direction and Ideogram fills the new area with content that matches the original seamlessly. This is how you turn a square output into a landscape banner or a portrait poster. Step 3. Use the eraser to remove any element you want to replace. Paint over the area, describe what should replace it in the prompt field, and regenerate. Step 4. Layer your edits. Each canvas operation is non-destructive, you can iterate repeatedly without losing your starting point. Style reference and style codes are two of Ideogram's most underused features and the ones that matter most for professional and brand work. Style reference: upload any image, a photo, an illustration, a brand asset, and Ideogram replicates its color palette, texture, tone, and overall aesthetic across every new image you generate in that session. You are not copying the content of the reference image, you are capturing its visual language and applying it to new subjects. Style codes: each style you create or discover is assigned a unique alphanumeric ID. You can save it, share it with teammates, or paste it into any future session to instantly restore the same visual style. This is what makes consistent content series possible. Every post, every graphic, every output looks like it belongs to the same brand. The highest level of brand control comes from combining style reference with the color palette feature to specify exact hex codes. The result is brand-accurate output without a designer in the loop. Writing prompts that produce great ideogram output consistently comes down to specificity. Lead with your subject. What is the image? Say, a minimalist poster, not create something that looks like a poster. State the exact text in quotation marks if text is part of the design. Describe the visual style using genre or medium terms: flat illustration, photorealistic, editorial magazine layout, vintage typographic poster. Specify your colors explicitly: black background, white headline, single gold accent. Vague color descriptions produce inconsistent results. Add mood and context words to shape the overall tone: clean, bold, elegant, energetic, retro. Include a negative to remove things you do not want: no gradients, no drop shadows. And for your first attempt on a new style, enable Magic Prompt, let it expand your description, evaluate the result, then refine manually once the visual direction is right. Who is Ideogram for? Graphic designers use it to generate first draft concepts and brand assets that would take hours to produce manually. Brand and marketing teams are generating ad creative and campaign graphics with accurate text and on-brand colors without briefing a designer for every piece. Social media managers are producing post graphics at scale, consistent style, different copy, generated in seconds per piece. Content creators are using Ideogram for thumbnail and cover art with readable title text that does not require Photoshop. Small business owners are generating signage, promotional material, and packaging concepts without a design budget. Agencies are turning around client visual deliverables faster. And educators are generating course slides and visual explainers with clean typography directly from a prompt. Here is what people are actually creating with Ideogram right now. Logo and brand identity work. Designers are iterating dozens of logo directions in an hour rather than days, using Ideogram for concept exploration before moving to vector software. Event posters, accurate date, venue name, and headline text on the first generation, which simply was not possible with other AI tools. YouTube thumbnails with bold, readable text that requires no Photoshop post-processing. Social ad graphics with on-brand visuals and accurate promotional copy for rapid A/B testing. Book covers and album art with typographic layouts and custom illustration styles. Product packaging mockups with text-heavy label designs generated in minutes. Email header graphics with clean branded banners. And merchandise designs, t-shirt graphics and print layouts where readable text is essential. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Midjourney, Ideogram's text accuracy is dramatically better. Midjourney produces higher artistic image quality but cannot reliably render readable text. Versus DALL-E 3, Ideogram has better text rendering and the canvas editor. DALL-E 3 integrates more tightly with ChatGPT for conversational workflows. Versus Stable Diffusion, Ideogram requires no setup, no local hardware, no plugins. Stable Diffusion is fully local, unlimited, and free for those willing to manage the environment. Versus Adobe Firefly, Ideogram's text accuracy leads and it has a more generous free tier. Firefly has clearer commercial use rights documentation for enterprise clients. Versus Flux, Ideogram has style codes in Canvas editing, Flux is faster at raw image generation. Versus Canva AI, Ideogram produces superior standalone image quality, Canva integrates design and publishing in one tool. The honest summary, Ideogram is the clear choice whenever readable text in generated images matters. For pure artistic output, Midjourney still leads. Ideogram pricing. The free plan gives you 10 slow generation credits per day, enough to evaluate the tool and test prompts, but output is watermarked and images are public by default. Basic is $8 a month, 400 priority credits, private images, and no watermark. The right starting point for anyone using Ideogram for real work. Essential is $20 a month, 1,000 credits with access to the Canvas editor and style reference. This is where the full creative workflow becomes available. Pro is $48 a month, 3,000 credits, batch generation for running multiple variations simultaneously, and the color palette feature for exact hex color control. Team is $96 a month, a shared workspace with pooled team credits and admin controls. My recommendation: start free to learn the prompt framework. Move to Basic for private, watermark-free output. Upgrade to Essential when you need Canvas and style reference for client work. Before you use Ideogram for client work, there are important things to know. The free plan produces public images with limited commercial use rights. Do not use free tier output for paid client deliverables. Basic plan and above gives you private generation and commercial use rights. Do not include real brand logos, trademark symbols, or copyrighted assets in your prompts. Generating images that replicate someone else's IP creates legal exposure. Do not generate realistic likenesses of real, identifiable individuals without their consent. On copyright, the generated image is considered yours under current platform terms, but AI image copyright law is still evolving. Verify the current terms of service for your specific jurisdiction before delivering to clients. And always check whether the client or the platform they publish on requires disclosure that the image was AI generated. 7 tips that consistently improve Ideogram output. 1. Use Design Style mode for any text-heavy output. It is built for typography. Photo mode is not. 2. Always put the exact text you want in quotation marks inside the prompt, no exceptions. 3. Enable Magic Prompt for your first attempt on a new style. Once the visual direction is right, disable it and refine manually. 4. Save every style code that produces a result you like. Over time you build a reusable library of visual styles you can return to instantly. 5. Specify hex codes with the color palette feature for any brand work. It removes color guesswork entirely. 6. Generate at a smaller size first, then use Canvas to extend the frame outward. This is easier than trying to get proportions perfect in the initial generation. 7. Run 4 variations simultaneously using batch generation and pick the strongest to refine. This is faster than iterating one image at a time. Here is everything you need. Start at Ideogram.ai, free account, 10 credits per day, no card required. Upgrade to Basic at $8 for private images and commercial use rights. Upgrade to Essential at $20 when you need the Canvas editor and style reference, both available at ideogram.ai/pricing. Before you generate anything, spend 5 minutes in the public gallery at ideogram.ai/explore. Seeing what other people are building with the tool is the fastest way to understand its range. All links are in the description below. If this guide helped you understand what Ideogram can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI creative tool every week. Now go make something with readable text in it. See you in the next one.